In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy K-pop concert tickets in Japan. The first thing you need to do is find out which official ticketing platform is handling the concert you want to attend. In Japan, common platforms include Lawson Ticket, Ticketpia, E+, and Rakuten Ticket. This is important because each concert may use a different system, and buying through the official platform helps you avoid scams or invalid tickets. Once you know the correct platform, create your account before ticket sales begin. Do not wait until the last minute, because registration can sometimes take extra time. Some ticket sites offer English supports, while others are available only in Japanese, so it helps to set everything up early and get familiar with the layout. Make sure your account information is complete so you are ready when tickets go on sale. If the artist offers a fan club pre-sale, join the official fan club and complete any required pre-sale registration before the deadline. For many K-pop concerts in Japan, fan club access can give you an earlier chance to apply for tickets. Pay close attention to the registration window, because missing that deadline usually means waiting for the general sale. Next, check whether the tickets are being sold through a lottery system or on a first-come, first-served basis. This makes a big difference in how you should prepare. Many K-pop concerts in Japan use a lottery system for the initial sale, so getting tickets is often about applying correctly and on time rather than clicking the fastest. If it is a lottery sale, submit your application during the entry period and then wait for the results. If you are selected, make sure to complete payment by the specified deadline. Missing the payment window can cause your reservation to be canceled, so keep an eye on your email and your account notifications. If the tickets are first come, first served, sign in before sales open and be ready to purchase as soon as they become available. Having your account set up in advance can save valuable time during checkout. When it is time to pay, use one of the accepted payment methods. Some Japanese ticketing platforms may require payment at a convenience store, while others only accept certain credit cards. Always check the payment rules in advance so there are no surprises. Finally, follow the ticket delivery instructions carefully. Depending on the event, tickets may be issued electronically, mailed to you, or collected at a convenience store or at the venue. Read these details closely so you know exactly how and when to receive your ticket. If you prepare early and follow each stage carefully, the process becomes much easier.